What's up, you guys? Bucknell Bison, 3 packages today, so let's get bustin'. We'll get right into it. Here's a nice one. First of all, we've got a piece for the Anquan Boldin PC. Anquan Boldin 3-color patch out of Crown Royal, numbered to 10. So that's a good start, and let's go into the second package here. And I got another package. Yay. That's exactly what I bought for, but it feels like there's something inside here, and yes, there is, thank goodness. And we've got a Jordy Nelson autograph, and this is numbered, I believe, out of 9? Yep, 3 of 9. Very awesome. And we will go to the final package. And of course, we encounter tape when I don't have my scissors, but this should be quite manageable because I've got tons of steel. And we've got here 2 cards. They're kind of taped together, so Robert, keep those legs turban. Nice patch autograph. That is the gold version, numbered out of 25. And then numbered 6 out of 10, Greg, don't call me little, patch autograph. So, very nice mail day. All are for trade or for sale except for the Anquan Boldin, so hit me up on those. And that's all for today, kids. Thanks you guys for watching. Stay classy. Peace out.